This one's gonna be fun. Okay, check it out. Check it out. Before. After. Ta-da! Okay, so if you're new to the channel, welcome. I highly encourage you to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and please give the video a thumbs up so other people can see the video and be like, damn, this video is kind of dope. So in today's video, I was like, what can we do to spice things up a bit? And Sunday, we had like an impromptu birthday party for my grandpa who's in town. And my sister went out and bought a 24-pack of beer. And unfortunately, only 2 people showed up that were actually drinking that day. Everybody else was like busy. So, long story short, there's a fridge full of beer. And I was just like, let's see what we can do with it. So, as of right now, I've had 2 shots of whiskey. And this is my first beer. So we're going to see what happens as the day progresses. And how creative I get. And how much I can actually accomplish in regards to making a beat. So we're going to make a beat drunk. That's all I'm trying to say. I'm trying to say is we're making a beat drunk. That's it. Without further ado, 2 shots in, 1 beer down. Let's get to work. Cheers. Oh. It's so cold. All right. It's 1 beer down. Burp. That's 1 beer down. All right, so first things first, we're going to create our little setup. The first thing we need is our drum rack, so let's do that. And simpler, that's step number 2. And then from there, we're going to find a sample that we can mess around with. We're actually going to check out this free kit that Chris Poncelan and Eldre gave out, so shout out to them. And let's see what we can find. I think we found the sample. I think we're gonna go with this one. One thing I like to do, I've been doing lately, is all my songs, all my beats, I set them at 89 BPM because that was the year I was born, so that's the heart we be trying to keep up. Usually I'll pause, come up with the melody, and then show it to y'all. But we're on beer number 2, and we're feeling good, so we're gonna show you all that. I'll probably just cut to the part where I actually figure out the melody. That first, this one right here. That sounds like Kanye West, We Don't Care. That shit sounds good. Okay, so we are 3 beers deep. And we almost have the melody down pat. Like, as far as the loop goes. That last little part is what's fucking me up. So we had to take a break, BTS break, so we're watching some BTS, to help us get inspired, just to chill a bit, and then see what we can come up with. So, that was a bust. Alright, so, yesterday, honestly, yesterday was a fun day. I'm not gonna lie, yesterday was a fun day, but, I actually didn't get to finish the video yesterday, because I kind of knocked out. Like, I worked on the beat for a bit, and then I knocked out. I woke up, got some Burger King. And yeah, so last night, I think it was like around like 2 in the morning, I woke up and I was like, let's check out what I actually accomplished. And it actually wasn't too bad. I actually managed to come up with a decent melody, and it sounds like this. It does sound like a clusterfuck. Apparently yesterday, when I got back to the session at hand, I had the melody created. I just had to fix it up a bit. So what I did was I transposed it, and I adjusted the fade in and the fade out, and yeah, I just made it make sense. You know what I'm saying? And then what I did was, what I had left off was hi-hats. Like I literally created a hi-hat pattern, just. So So all I did was create a hi-hat pattern and create my melody. So then put it all together, and this is what we have. But then I kind of created a counter melody, and I think it's one of the first times I've ever created a counter melody because I still don't understand the object of counter melody like I'm supposed to do that because we're still learning and we're still growing. But put it all together. Actually, no. This is what the counter melody sounds like. And now we put all the pieces of the puzzle together, and it sounds like this. Oh, so yeah, it's not too bad, honestly, considering the fact that I was just completely wasted. Completely wasted? Not really, but I was pretty much out of it. I had like 5 beers yesterday, and I had 2 shots of whiskey. Yeah, 2 shots of whiskey, and I had 5 beers, which isn't much, but it was all in an empty stomach, so that's probably what kind of just elevated it. Would I do this again? Probably try it again. I'll probably pace myself. I'll probably remember to keep the camera rolling. As far as this beat goes, I like it. Like I said earlier, I got the melody from a free kit that Chris Poncelan and Eldre are giving out, so you guys can check out one of their channels. I'm gonna put a link in the description. You guys can check it out. It's a free sample pack. You can't hate on that. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, yesterday was really funny. It was really fun. Like I said, I might do it again. Probably keep the camera rolling. I don't know. We'll see. Maybe I'll try to challenge myself, try to make like a different type of beat. Maybe I'll try to time myself so I can be a little more diligent. And yeah, I think it was just like, that's the problem with beer. Like, I love beer. And a lot of people don't like beer for some reason. But the problem was just like, you get so bloated. So I was just like, I'm so tired. I didn't do anything. But yeah, I'm not surprised. I'm not surprised. I'm surprised. I'm actually pretty impressed that the beat actually came out really not bad. I thought it was going to be terrible. I was going to be like, but this is all future Diana talking. I still haven't seen the video, the footage from when I was drunk. So let's see how I look. I'm pretty sure my eyes look a little more wide now. Compared to yesterday, it was probably like this. You couldn't even see my eyes because I was just so faded. But yeah, that's going to be it for today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And like always, don't sleep on me because I'll sleep on me. I don't even know what I'm trying to convey anymore when I say that. But don't sleep on me. I'm coming.